Hi everybody, here's a mid-80s Amber Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan, model 2150. I got this yesterday for $10 at Goodwill. Decided to stop there because I had a day off because my work is closed due to some imbecile making a threat. Unfortunately, people are ridiculous in this world. Anyway, so I had the day off to stop at Goodwill, and I found this. So let's get back to this. Someone had the genius idea of gluing the blades on, so you can't take the blades off. It would be one thing if the spinner nut wasn't working properly, like I did that with my Lasco Cyclone pedestal fan from 2003, because the spinner nut broke. But on this case, the spinner nut is just fine. And someone had the really genius idea of gluing the blades on. So that's just nice. The oscillator is, it works, but it's like very sticky. So I gotta figure out a way to do this without being able to take the blades off, because that sucks. I have a blue one, a brown one, which you've seen in many of my videos. The blue one, I think I made over the summertime, and now I got the amber one. Looking for the solid gray now, but, you know. So, yeah, this fan runs pretty good. It's pretty strong, for you know, this is stronger than my other two 2150s, which I'm kind of surprised. And it runs pretty good. I'm going to give it that. So here we're going to start off with low. Here we go. Spins up very slowly because the oscillator is screwed up, and it shakes. Don't know why it shakes. So, but it's a good fan. I ran it all night last night, and it ran just fine. So, I don't think it should be an issue. Here's medium. The buttons actually work better on this one than it does on my brown one. My brown one, the high button sticks. This one doesn't. See how it shakes? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it shakes a little bit when it goes to the other one side. Yeah. And high. Oh, now it squeaks. Cool. But it throws a lot of air, though, which I like. I've always liked these 2150s. I think they're great fans. Yeah. And off. All right, comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.